As of 2025, property management costs in the UK have changed due to economic factors and new regulations. Here's what landlords need to know. First, management fees. Property management fees typically range between 10% and 15% of the monthly rental income. For example, with an average rent of £1,276 per month in England, that's around £127 to £191 per month. Basic services cover rent collection and tenant sourcing, while premium packages include maintenance coordination, legal compliance, and even tenant support apps to streamline communication. Next, tenant sourcing fees. Some management companies include this in their standard packages, while others charge separately, usually between £50 and £300, to cover advertising and tenant vetting. Now, let's talk about maintenance costs. Landlords should set aside 10% of their annual rental income for routine maintenance. And costs are rising by 15% by Q3 2029 due to increasing material and labour prices. If your property is rented to students or short-term tenants, expect higher maintenance expenses because of increased wear and tear. Operational expenses are also a key consideration. In addition to management fees, setting aside another 10% of rental income helps cover unexpected costs and potential void periods. If you own a leasehold property, be aware that the average annual service charge for flats in England and Wales has climbed to £2,300, an 11% increase from last year. What about property insurance? Landlord insurance costs between £150 and £250 per year, depending on coverage. Basic policies include building insurance, but you can also add contents cover, rent guarantee protection, and liability insurance. Then there are accountancy fees. Hiring an accountant for tax submissions and financial statements can cost between £1,000 and £2,000 per year. This typically includes bookkeeping, tax planning, and ensuring compliance with new regulations. And finally, periodic refurbishments. Major refurbishments should be planned every 7 to 10 years to keep properties appealing and up to standard. Costs vary depending on the work needed. Damp treatment costs around £2,750. Asbestos removal can be £1,750 per square metre. Full-scale renovations like kitchen or bathroom upgrades can be even higher. With property costs evolving and regulations changing, staying informed is crucial for successful property management and financial planning.